everybody! Today I'm gonna show you how to make cinnamon pancakes, and this video especially for Dania. This is for you so you can learn how to make it. Okay, I'm gonna show you the ingredients. This is complete pancake Aunt Jemima, my favorite. This is butter, powdered cinnamon, and frosting, and milk. Now we're gonna start mixing. You just put any amount of pancake mix that you want. So I make usually for this is for 2. So you pour some milk and you make the mix. More milk. Just make believe you're making regular pancakes, but now we're going to add cinnamon powder. Make like 2 spoons, but I just do it like that because I already know my measurement. A little bit more. You put it in medium heat. A little frosting in a little container, so we can melt it a little. Okay. Now I'm gonna put the pancakes. As you can see, my pan was already hot. Put a little bit more milk. And 2. You can make a round shape like that, like spreading it from side to side. Put the heat a little higher so you don't wait too long. But don't make it too high, because if you make it too high, then it's gonna be all burned up. You don't want that to be burned. See, this is melting. Our pancake is ready. See? It's ready. Now we're gonna proceed to put icing. Okay. And you sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon. And that's cinnamon pancake. Bon appetit!